Hello, this is Rodney Deese, and I am here to deliver the integrated technology plan as developed by my group in leadership and educational technology at Liberty University. As with any plan, there's going to be goals, and our first goal was centered around infrastructure as we seek to move our district to a one-to-one district. For 7,400 students, we wanted to ensure that we focused on infrastructure. And that infrastructure is really centered around a client-server model, which best meets the needs of creating a connected network across the multiple school buildings within the district. The second goal is focused on the selection of actual technology, and for that we chose a Chromebook. And the benefits of the Chromebook are many. The functions of a Chromebook: storage space, processing speed, display compatibility, and price per unit in comparison with balancing quality and price were absolutely considered. This edition offers students a multitude of technologies that will allow them to connect with their administrators, teachers, peers, for collaborative assignments, create projects incorporated with technology, and access other applications for educational purposes. And our last SMART goal was about connectedness. Connectedness is really referring to the ability of students across the full spectrum to remain connected as we develop their digital citizenship. We want them to remain connected to the larger community, administrators, teachers, their peers, their parents as well. Of course, we wanted to focus and have a vision about how our plan impacts teaching and learning. And really that's building a technological bridge between students and teachers. Teaching with digital learning keeps students more engaged with others by communication and collaboration, which can increase academic achievements and increase also their chance for college. And also we're looking at teaching with creative, personalized, purposeful, and effective learning options while still aligning with the district and state standards. All of this certainly is important to underpin this project by talking about 21st century learning skills. And we want to embrace those 21st century learning skills. In an elementary school principal, Nancy Blair, she said it best: these new 21st century learners are highly relational and demand quick access to new knowledge. More than that, they are capable of engaging and learning at a whole new level. With the world literally at their fingertips, today's students need teachers and administrators to re-envision the role of technology in the classroom. And that's what we seek to do. None of this would be possible without ISTE standards, which is the cornerstone of technology adoption and integration. These standards are a set of 5 guidelines for students, teachers, coaches, and administrators to support students and teachers in gaining proficiency in the digital age, helping students to improve their critical thinking abilities, problem-solving skills, and creativity. Also preparing them to compete in the global market that is increasingly dependent on technology. The importance of access is necessary to thrive in the e-learning age. The use of technology has become a daily occurrence as society continues to move into a complex digital landscape. Considering such a phenomenon, formal education also must adapt to the trends of everyday interactions. If students are expected to become integral members of communities, learning societal norms to include technology must be addressed. The best way to ensure that all students have an equal opportunity to learn digital programs is to provide each student with an electronic device to be used for e-learning and participating in e-communities. Thank you, and that completes my presentation. I also wanted to present a list of the references used during this presentation. Thank you.